September 11th, 1941. America breaks ground on a fortress of war.
20,000 footsteps echo through 5 miles of corridors daily. Concrete and steel. Humans are just specks in this machine.
How America built the world's largest office building in just 16 months. Let's go.
16 months. The clock stars now.
Thousands of blueprints. One vision. A 5-sided fortress.
Before the concrete, before the steel, there was only mud.
The location chosen. The stakes driven. War demands speed.
Approved. The greatest construction project in American history begins.
15,000 workers.
The Potomac gives up its bones, sand and gravel for the foundation. Thousands of tons of river bottom pumped to the construction site. Sorted, washed, sized. Only the best stone for the foundation.
The swamp fights back. Every step is a battle against the mud.
Steam and steel tear into the Virginia mud. The foundation takes shape. Clean stone. Strong concrete. Every impurity washed away. Organized by size. Ready for mixing. The raw ingredients of war. Tons of silt lifted, moved, dumped. The swamp is being erased. The river has given what it can. Now, the foundation begins. 40,000 piles, each one driven deep into the mud. WM. 10 tons of force. The pile sinks inches at a time.
A forest of concrete. 40,000 pillars holding up history.
Steel tied by hand. Every connection matters when the concrete comes. Leveled by hand, perfectly flat. The foundation demands precision.
Air escapes. Density increases. The concrete hardens into stone.
The work never stops. Under floodlights, the foundation cures. Chemical heat meets cold morning air. The concrete sweats. The foundation hardens.
Acres of concrete, perfectly flat, ready for the skeleton to rise.
A factory on site. Millions of gallons of concrete, mixed fresh daily. Cement dust, fine as flour. The binding agent of the modern world. Water meets dust. Chemistry in motion. Concrete is born. Thick as magma. Heavy as lead. This is the blood of the building. A convoy of concrete. Truck after truck feeding the beast. Clean the tools. Start again. The factory never sleeps. Tested to destruction. Only the strongest concrete survives.
Listen, the heartbeat of industry. Low, constant, powerful.
Smoke and steam. The factory breathes. The building grows.
From up here, you see it all. The machine is working.
Scaffolding rises. Workers climb. The skeleton takes shape. Wood and steel. Hammers and sweat. The old way builds the new world. Steel rises. The bones of the building stand tall.
Every intersection tied. Every connection secure. The grid is born.
The first ring. 5 sides to go. The Pentagon finds its shape.
Symmetry. Precision. The grid repeats to infinity.
Steel meets wood. Strength meets form. The structure locks together.
Timber flies. The skeleton reaches across the ring.
Rough and smooth. Organic and industrial. The building breathes.
The skeleton spans. 5 rings connected. The Pentagon rises.
1,000 trucks a day. The supply line never stops.
Human coordination. Every driver follows the hands.
The mud claims another truck. Progress is a battle.
"100 hands. 1, 5. Muscle and we'll move the mountain.
Every truck, every worker, coordinated from here.
Day shift out. Night shift in. The work continues around the clock.
Fuel for the machines. Without it, nothing moves.
Day and night, night and day. The machine never rests.
Not 1 ring, 5 rings, all rising at the same time.
Smooth as glass. The corridors take shape.
Rings within rings. The Pentagon's secret geometry.
Windows bring light. The fortress opens its eyes.
Sealed from the rain. The roof protects the rings.
"17.5 miles of corridors. A city of hallways."
The mechanical guts. Hidden from view. Essential to life. Listen. The echo of construction. Silence between the strikes.
Solid. Complete. The Pentagon stands.
Indiana limestone. The face of the Pentagon arrives.
Fossils from an ancient sea. Millions of years old. Now part of history.
Stone takes flight. The building puts on its face. Millimeters matter. Stone set by hand and eye. Sealed forever. Mortar binds stone to stone. Washed clean. The limestone gleams in the sun.
5 points. 108 degrees each. Perfect geometry.
The grounds take shape. Thousands of parking spaces for thousands of workers.
Roads to the fortress. The Pentagon connects to America.
16 months. From swamp to fortress. The Pentagon is complete.
January 15th, 1943. The Pentagon stands ready for war.
The entrance, where history walks through every day.
$20,000 people. 5 miles of corridors.
The building lives.
The center. 5 acres of open sky. The heart of the Pentagon.
16 months. From swamp to fortress. This is American engineering.
Production uncovered. Witness how history is made.
From concept to concrete. From blueprint to fortress. Production uncovered.
From swamp to fortress. 16 months. The Pentagon.
The Pentagon. Fortress of democracy. Built in 16 months. Standing for centuries.
Production uncovered. Witness how it's made.